Kia ora everyone, it's Daniel here, welcome back to another video, and today guys, we're going through another DIY. What's good guys, I hope you are all dressing well and getting stuff done. Now yes, today we have another DIY. This one is a little, man, it's still mad simple. All my DIYs are mad simple. This is the third one, pretty sure. Oh, it's the fourth. It's the fourth one. This is the fourth one that I've done in total, and you know, like I said, in all of the others, I keep them simple. So mainly because I'm not that talented with crafts and stuff like that, and it just makes it real hella simple for you guys as well. Now, pretty much, guys, I came across a photo, and I can't for the life of me remember. It was either on Instagram, and I need to find it. If I can find it, I'll put it here. So if it's there, then I found it. Let's hope it's there. Came across a photo whether it was on Instagram or for some reason I think it was on like Sense as well, like the website, the like shopping one, and I saw this really dope sweatshirt. Now what was really cool about it, it was actually cropped. So it was, and that's what we're doing today, by the way guys. I'm cropping a sweatshirt. But what was really cool about it, and the reason I was like, man, I want to make a video like on this and I want to do this, the sweatshirt was pretty much cropped, and just the way the outfit was laid out just looked really nice. So it was hella simple, but it just added a little bit more detail to the outfit. So I thought, hey, you know, instead of like buying an expensive one, I'm just gonna make it myself. So what I did, guys, I went online, went to Bershka, and I ordered this black, plain black, just standard, you know, crew neck sweatshirt. I got it in an XL because it is just a standard fit, and I kind of did want it a little bit oversized, especially because I am cropping it. So yeah, this was £12, guys. Even ASOS has them, you know, oversized ones for £10. Fortunately, they were sold out in like my sizes. But yeah, like, so very cheap, because there's no way in hell I'm cutting up that Acne Studio one. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is pretty much cut off the bottom of the hem, mainly because I just want to show you guys, like, it doesn't take much to add a little bit more, you know, like detail or spice or drip or whatever you want to call it to your outfit, to your attire. As simple as just taking this, a plain black sweatshirt, which does, you know, just rocking it by itself is fine, but cropping it and the way I'm going to style it and show you guys today, it gives it a little bit more personality and a little bit more depth. So that's what we're going to do, guys. Real simple. All you're going to need is a hoodie that you don't mind, you know, ruining if that happens, and a pair of scissors, and maybe like a ruler or something. I don't have a ruler, so I'm just gonna use a box as my rough guideline. And yeah, DIY time. Alright guys, so like I said, all you need is a sweatshirt that you don't mind chopping up, and a pair of scissors, and then, you know, something just to kind of maybe get a rough line. Lay it out flat, nice and on your table. Just make sure everything is nice and even. You don't want to stretch out the t-shirt too much when you're holding it, otherwise once you've cut it, it is going to sit higher than you initially thought. So try cut the top at its natural resting point. This is when you can just lay your ruler over the top, or, you know, like a box like I'm using here. Obviously you're just cutting through the entire top all the way around. If you do want it to make it a little bit easier, do get yourself some like fabric scissors, so they are sharper and a lot easier to cut through material. And once you've chopped it up, guys, that is pretty much it. Like I said, we do hella simple DIYs here just to add a little bit more style and stuff to your outfit. You don't have to be the best craftsman, no sewing machine, nothing like that, and it is done. Here's the bottom bit that I cut off. Went a lot easier than I thought. From so far what I've seen, it went pretty damn straight, which is perfect. What I would say is make sure you do have enough space. I probably should have just done it on the floor, but whatever, I got it done. So what we are going to be doing now, guys, is I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to style this piece. So let's go jump to an on-body shot right now. And there we have it, guys. I hope you liked the on body. I'm super stoked with like how this turned out. Boom. So I've got the Doc Martens on foot, my grey smart pants, my white oversized shirt from Zara, this Bershka, which we DIY'd, and the beanie. Now, like I said guys, man, I'm super stoked with how this turned out. And this video isn't about like teaching you how to do a DIY. Obviously that was hella simple. Scissors, cut, snip, snap. It's more about showing you how just doing the littlest thing can just switch up your outfit a bit. Now I know some of you won't mess with this, but there's others of you that will mess with this type of thing. And it's more about just being creative, like adding a little bit more depth to your outfit and just adding a little bit, I guess, more of your own like personality and vibe into it and making things a little bit different. This one was hella simple. Doing a DIY like this allows you to still kind of like stay in that kind of safe zone while just slowly, I guess, pushing out of the safe zone too. That makes sense? Whatever. Anyway guys, if you did like today's video, make sure you give it a nice big thumbs up. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you do click that subscribe button down below. Also, come chill out with me on the daily guys, and you can do this by following my Instagram, which is at Daniel Simmons. I hope you like this DIY, plenty more to come. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna give this a go. I will link everything that I'm wearing in the description box below as well. Other than that guys, enjoy the rest of your day, keep dressing well, and I'll see you fellas next time.